Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I am going to show you the reveal of my laundry slash pantry room makeover. I am pretty excited. You are all welcome. Thank you guys for clicking on my channel. So alright, what I did for starters is I'm gonna probably put in a little clip of the before.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise.
I really love Bible verses, so I was trying to find something that would be really cute, kind of, you know, not take up too much room to go above this door, but all the ones I found were really long, or they were too wide. Right now it's blank. I'm just gonna leave it that way for right now, but I did have a picture that goes above this doorway that I will show you that I ended up picking up at a antique store last summer. And then I have a picture that was in my kitchen that originally I got a picture for my laundry room, but I'm flipping them around, so I'm putting that picture that I got from the laundry room in the kitchen and vice versa, and I like the way it looks a lot better anyways. And then I also had a picture from Tuesday morning, and that one I can just kind of put right there. See that little gray picture? I had that one from Tuesday morning that I thought, you know, that would be really cute. So let's go ahead and put a few things together. So the few things that I did pick up that I bought the other day were these two jars. They have this really cute little wooden lid. I just thought they were really cute. They looked real clean line, and I thought that the Downy in one and the detergent in the other would go really good. However, I noticed a lot of people were saying that they get clogged and they don't really last that long. So we will see. I might have to clean them out every, you know, 2 or 3 fills, but if they get too annoying, then I guess I'm out $12 a jar. So it's not that big of a deal. But I also have little Downy, let me show you. These little Downy sprinkles. So I wanted to put them in a cute jar too. So I just kind of shopped my house and seen what I had available. So I'll show you guys a jar. I ended up picking it up from Cracker Barrel. I ended up picking up this jar from Cracker Barrel. I had cookies in it, but I ended up getting a Rae Dunn cookie jar, so I don't need that. So I'm just gonna use this, I think, for those sprinkles. And then this is like a little coffee scoop, but I just thought that would look really cute in there. So I'm just gonna use that too.
Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time.
And then I thought, okay, well, I'm gonna need some sort of cup to obviously fill up the laundry soap and the Downy. So I decided just to save these cups, but instead of just place them up here, I'm just gonna put them in this little cute drawer. I ended up picking up this drawer at an antique store for a few bucks. So I just thought it was cute. I'm just gonna place that right up here. And then let me show you guys. So that's what it looks like. I might actually just move this over. I don't really like the way this goes with it because it doesn't match, but for right now it's good enough, I guess. So let's go ahead and just do the top shelf real quick. This cord still needs to be cut. I'm still scared to cut it. But I think my husband's gonna bring home wire cutters to cut it. So the only other thing I have really up here to go up here is I just found this and I thought that this would go cute with the lids. So I'm just gonna put that up there, and plus it adds a little color and a little something else. And then at Hobby Lobby I picked up this chicken. Let me make sure you guys can see it. It reminds me of the chicken off Paw Patrol, that Chickaletta. So I don't know. That's gonna go up there just for a little something. Maybe I'll put it right here. That's cute. And then I do have to have a spot for like the Lysol, the laundry sanitizer. So that's gonna go up there like this. And then I do have an all natural laundry detergent that one of my sons, he's a little bit more sensitive, his skin, so I like to wash his clothes in this. So the hat looks super cute. Love it. All right, let me take you guys off the tripod and give you a tour. I'm just gonna start with this wreath. Picked it up at a Goodwill right before Corona. I got it for $2, and that laundry service, or the laundry for the same day service, do it yourself, picked that up at Tuesday morning. And this laundry room, loads of fun. That came from an antique store last summer. And this was actually in my kitchen, but I just thought it looked a little better right here. And let me show you the original picture I got for this spot. This little country living is the one I originally picked up for that spot, but I thought it looked better here. So guys, when you go in my laundry room, this is what you see. I'm sorry about the light. Let me go ahead and close the blinds after I get in here. But this is what you see. Let me try to open this door. If I open my outside laundry room door, there we go. All right, guys, so this is what you see. My shelves put up. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. And it might get dark, but that's just because I'm moving around. I'm hoping it doesn't. It does a little bit. So this is the top shelf. That's one big package from Sam's Club of paper towels, in case somebody wanted to know why I have so many. So above my dryer, I am just going to tell you that all of this stuff in here, except for the parchment paper, all that stuff, basically I don't use it but maybe once or twice a year. That's why I put it in that corner. And then of course I can easily reach all the paper towels, and the stuff in this far back corner I use probably once or twice a year. And so that's why I put those in the corner. And I mean, I can still, you know, reach just fine. But I really like the way they turned out. And they pick up on this side. See, I got to move around a little bit. This I did pick up, this potato container. My youngest, Joey, loves potatoes. He's constantly asking me for potatoes. So I ended up picking that up, and I actually was getting ready to fill the potatoes, but I made dinner and I ended up using the potatoes. So, oh, and then, okay, here's another thing too. These little plastic bags I liked in this little container. I thought that was cute. And my dryer sheets, which I read that of course they cause cancer. Of course they do. But let me show you what I have in this box. Okay, so I ended up picking this up on sale at Michael's last year. It's actually a bread container, but I turned it around and I put my bounce sheets. There's some bounce sheets and Purex. Gosh, do those smell so good. But I also put these dryer balls in here, and these are like the wool balls, and I have the dryer balls that I'm planning on using as soon as I'm out of dryer sheets. But for the meantime, oh, also if you're doing like a comforter, you can put these in there, these little spiky balls, and they, you know, help the dryer, or help the clothes get dry faster. So my favorite shelf in here though is this bottom shelf. I had to close that door because I just let in 2 flies and it's hot. So, and here is also why I love this bottom shelf. First off, I put all the snacks right here so the kids can reach their snacks, so that way, even though they're pretty big now, I just don't want them reaching up here, you know, like for the cans, or up here where something could fall on their head. So I just put all the snacks down there, and this is my favorite part right here. Look, guys. So I just have this shelf, and I have the shelf going behind the dryer all the way, because the way the dryer is, like the hookup, it's right over here, so it can't actually be pushed against the wall anyways, but that's why I did this. Plus I needed extra room for my appliances, so I ended up doing that. I love this shelf, and that is seriously probably my favorite part of it. But let me try to stand at different angles so you guys can see. There's Oliver in every video. Hi, baby. He is such a good dog. Okay. Oh, and also I can put stuff down here. Like I have cases of water that are in my back room, so those will go right here. Extra water, Gatorade. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed my laundry room, pantry room makeover. I hope you guys got some ideas. So thank you guys so much for watching and for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.